Please like and subscribe Wings TV official channel for more videos.
Hi there. Welcome to Wings TV Europe vlog number 24. In our last video, we concluded our thrilling Lisbon yellow bus ride and immersed ourselves in the vibrant heart of Lisbon city. Today, buckle up as we embark on a captivating journey to explore the longest river in the Iberian Peninsula, the Tejo, aboard the Lisbon Yellow cruise boat. Our adventure begins at Belém ferry terminal and concludes at Terreiro do Paco ferry terminal. Thank you for staying with us. Take in the breathtaking sight of a statue perched atop the hill, the sanctuary of Christ, a sacred place of worship. This Catholic monument is a dedication to the Sacred Heart of Jesus Christ, drawing inspiration from Rio's Christ the Redeemer. Soaring 529 meters high, this viewpoint stands as the pinnacle of the Sintra Mountains. Nestled in the heart of Pena Park, just 4 kilometers from the historic center, visitors have the opportunity to marvel at the splendid beauty of the Sintra Mountains from this elevated vantage point.
Dear viewers, as we fly over this breathtaking landscape, the bridge you are seeing below is the iconic Ponte 25 de Abril bridge, symbolizing Lisbon's resilience and progress. Spanning the Tejo River, this architectural marvel connects not just 2 banks, but also embodies the spirit and history of Portugal. Discover the essence of Portugal as you glide over the Ponte 25 de Abril, a testament to innovation and unyielding spirit. Now, let's talk about what makes this bridge truly special. Its design is reminiscent of the famous Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, and the similarities are striking. The red color, the suspension cables, it's like a piece of San Francisco right here in Lisbon. Stretching over 2.2 kilometers and soaring to a height of 190 meters, the Ponte 25 de Abril offers breathtaking panoramic views of Lisbon and the surrounding areas. So, don't forget to bring your camera, you won't want to miss capturing the beauty of this iconic structure. As we reach the south bank, you'll find yourself in Almada, a charming town with its own set of attractions. Take a stroll along the riverfront promenade, enjoy some local cuisine, and soak in the relaxed atmosphere. It's the perfect complement to your visit to the Ponte 25 de Abril. Fellow travelers, the Ponte 25 de Abril Bridge, a symbol of Portugal's past and a gateway to its future. Whether you're a history buff, a photography enthusiast, or simply looking for an unforgettable experience, this bridge has something for everyone. Dear viewer, the landmark you are watching on the screen is historical Praça do Comércio in Lisbon. Welcome to the heart of Lisbon, the magnificent Praça do Comércio. This grand square is not just a tourist attraction. With its open, waterfront location and stunning architecture, it's a testament to Lisbon's history and resilience through the ages. Once the site of the royal palace, the square was reborn after the devastating 1755 earthquake that reshaped Lisbon. Surrounded by lemon-yellow buildings and the iconic Triumphal Arch, it's a gateway to exploring the rich culture of the city. Here, locals and tourists alike gather to soak in the vibrant atmosphere, enjoy cafes, or simply watch the world go by. The statue of King Jose I, reigning over the square on horseback, adds an air of regal history to the bustling space. From its breathtaking views to its historical significance, Praça do Comércio is a must-visit for anyone exploring Lisbon's charms.
And that's a wrap for our vlog number 24. Our boat tour from Belém to Tejo do Paco has been a visual feast. But hold on, our Lisbon adventure is far from over. Next up, we're hopping on the iconic Lisbon tram to explore the city's vibrant streets. Subscribe, comment, like, stay tuned for more. Your support means everything. Until next time, happy travels!